Hello, and we are doing Dungeons
And
Dragons
Part
2.
Wait, and we have this grid.
Wait, we need to adjust it. One moment. Just need to focus.
How's that gonna work, Corbin?
Because then they can see the
Oh, yeah.
board.
Yeah,
Well, how are we
that's a
gonna
grid.
keep it like that?
You hold it up with this broken piece of crust.
It's more important that the camera points at you guys. The grid is just to help us.
Yeah. Okay. And so, okay, now
It's gonna look at both of us.
Corbin,
Us and
Corbin, keep saying what you were saying.
It's gonna see both of us and the grid.
Yeah. And I'll say what you were saying.
What?
Remember
No.
about the grid?
That's a big grid.
You keep saying that. Remember?
No. Why?
Just do it. Like we
That's a
did.
big grid.
Hey! No, Corbin, remember what we did last time? I need you to keep on saying it in a row.
About you do it.
No! 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 I've hijacked your ride. No! 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 You're pushing me into a crash! Okay, Corbin, seriously.
Yeah. Don't you even dare.
Okay, I'm gonna stop dabbing. No! I have the salt and pepper!
Too loud. Harry. Now it's gonna get my eyes.
Okay. There.
I can already
Okay.
sense it. There's some pepper in here.
All right. Let me write down you guys' names so that I'm not always having to look at your sheets.
Leviosin and Collymore.
Who's Rosillian? Who's Rosillian?
That is a character that I built, but I'm not playing a character, so
Well-
it was just kind of for fun.
Also, except you can use it when we play with Ray.
Not
Or
Ray.
Ren.
Yeah,
When you play with him.
that's right.
He was who taught us how to play Dungeons and Dragons.
All right, so let us recap where we are. Right now, we are on the trail, going to Fandalver.
So technically,
Right?
we don't even need this square thing.
Right.
We just need a big piece of paper.
Right. It just helps me. So, we're going to Fandalver. This is the road to Fandalver.
Hey, by
And
the
two
way-
goblins.
Can you pause? Sorry. Just, I'm in the picture. I might be in the picture, but I'm playing, okay? A little bit.
As you remember last time, we were on the road to Fandalver, the
And
tribal
Wait,
trail.
I just forgot.
Harry could pick up the one horse, but I couldn't.
Right?
Wait, I forgot something.
Okie doke.
That when I was dabbing, speaking of this kind of dabbing, in second grade, I caught my teacher accidentally dabbing. She was like coughing or sneezing. She was also pointing somewhere. She said,
So she did this.
Hey. No! Just like, yeah, like that. No!
Harry, you did it. It's rain. Harry? Dad.
We literally need to know how to edit.
Dad.
So, hey! So I can just put
Can't
MLG
read.
glasses
Please don't scream
on me
quite
while
so
you're
loud.
tapping.
Just pretend it's rising from the ceiling. Da, 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 da. We probably just lost like half of the viewers. Thank you for the people who stayed.
Wait,
If Nancy DM is watching this, then you love.
Corbin? Yeah, he's in the dad place. Corbin, the floor is lava. Okay, so we're gonna also be doing a the floor's lava challenge while we're doing this. So
It's gonna be easy.
let's do what we do in school.
Mom, your
Chris-
feet are burning.
Mamas are immune to lava.
Oh, I forgot that.
How dare you? You have the mama powers.
The mama powers.
I want the child powers, which is
Nothing.
Being extra loud.
okay. I had that.
Stop. Okay, so last time we were on the road to Fandelver taking this special cargo to the city, and there were a couple of dead horses blocking the road, and while we were trying to deal with the dead horses, we got attacked by 2 goblins, right?
Yeah.
We have killed the goblins,
I
we have
remember
taken
the
some
whole thing.
damage. But everybody watching might not. We
They
have...
could have just went back and watched the other one.
One of the horses is reinforcing our cart here. The other horse has been burnt to a crisp over here.
The other horse has been burnt.
Yes, it,
Because with my cone of fire,
Yep.
that's the one that destroyed the one
You
of the goblins.
never said that.
yes,
Like one
we
that
did.
took like
No, you
7 damage, and then it burns pretty much anything in a 15-foot radius. So if you were next to me, then you would have been burnt. And if the cart was next to me, the cart would have been burned.
Which would have
Right.
been bad. I'm gonna go.
It burns everything.
Yeah.
It's pretty powerful, but I need to be very careful. Because
So-
there might be stuff that I don't want to burn, but there also might be stuff that I do want to burn.
So right now, Coleomore is over here by the burnt carcass of that horse, and Leviosa is 50 feet away over here by the cart. We have the shrubbery on either side of the trail. What would you like to do right now?
What, like, I can maybe gather some wood so we're ready for the next fight. Maybe get some wood swords or stuff.
Is there such thing as healing berries? Can there be?
Healing berries?
Can there be?
We don't have healing berries, but we can take a rest and heal up.
Yes,
I would not personally recommend doing that yet, but that is up
I've
to you
taken
guys.
3 damage. I have like
I think we should collect some logs, sticks, branches, so we can make a protective log cabin, and then we should rest.
maybe a little log cave, and make sure to make some beds out of sticks so we don't freeze to death in our sleep. Yes, that's a thing. You freeze. That
Well, rest doesn't mean sleep. It's not like sleeping for the night, it's just resting.
like sometimes a little rest could get your energy up, even if you're just like it just does just laying down, because you're producing energy and you're not moving. That's how your body moving. Anyways, so yeah, let's gather some wood.
So right now, you're tramping through the brushes on either side of the road looking for wood? Together?
Yeah, because you
Okay.
said that
I
there
think
was
he should
like
do
a
that.
very thick forest.
I think he should do that, because I'd rather see if there's more enemies. / which there are.
So you're gonna go scouting for enemies? Alright. Where are you looking for these enemies? Well, here.
Wait, if I did that, then wouldn't the sides of the road be burnt too?
A little bit.
Can I start mining in those burnt holes?
Mining for wood?
Yeah, well, going for to find wood in those holes.
Yeah.
Like maybe burnt wood, but still wood. now?
Yeah,
Can I go for that?
absolutely. So, Colleen War is searching for wood and supplies while you guys are at this spot, and Leviosa is scouting to see if there are any more enemies. And lo and behold,
Or no, Leviosa.
yes,
Why'd you say lo and behold?
lo and behold, that means, and sure enough,
Do they have?
where's our 20?
There's 20.
Yeah, our 20-sided dice. Well, it's not here, or else I... So is it somewhere? It's not in there. Wait, is that it? And I'm insisting it's not there? Yes, this is it. Thank you.
Something in
Okay,
my heart.
can I tell
hurt
something?
so bad.
That Mom, we lost the dice, but like she thought it wasn't in the bag, and I checked and it was in the bag. Anyway, sorry, I just wanted to share that. Sounds pretty funny.
Yes.
Anyways,
Bye.
so yeah, I go mining for wood.
Do you need a break?
Well, I mean,
Well,
I'm going.
I go put a wet cloth on my...
Okay.
Mom, I'm a little thirsty.
Okay, grab something to drink.
Okay. Sorry if you were waiting and Mom didn't edit that. But anyways, sorry. And I'm back. I'll play you some tunes while fast forward if you don't want to listen to this.
Musical interlude.
Because if you don't, you might lose 50 pounds or something. But even though. Oh, back again. Sorry for that pause. We just need to put a couple stuff on.
And I put an eye drop in this eye.
Right, Leviosa, you're looking for more intruders in the woods? Roll. Roll for wisdom check. Wisdom perception.
10,
10. 10 plus 3 for your wisdom.
13.
And the goblin's dexterity is 14. So that means you do not see the goblins before they attack. Now we roll for initiative.
What does that mean?
That means we roll to see what order we're going to attack in.
Mom, what does dexterity mean?
Dexterity is sort of how good you are physically at doing things.
Okay.
I'm a -3.
So,
I did that so I could get.
roll the
Okay,
dice?
So the highest number attacks first?
Yes.
Okay.
Except the monsters will get to attack before you guys since you didn't
Corbin?
see them and it's a surprise.
Wait, Harry did it last time,
Corbin,
so can I
go
go
first.
first this time?
We can do it that way if you would prefer.
Okay.
Ugh.
So,
It would be a lot funner.
what to roll? Next time we'll roll for initiative. But this is about making it so everyone has a good time.
Let's roll. Harry really wants to.
Okay, but Corbin can roll first. Or Colin War.
Holy boy.
Colin War can roll first. So what did you get?
I got the highest number.
Oh, you got a 20.
That would have been so good.
But
for...
you have a -3 because you use the dexterity. So you have a 17. All right. Mr.
very
Leviosa?
He's a -1, so if he gets 17, then he loses. 14.
And the goblins. 6. All right. However, you are surprised by the attack. So, you don't know it's coming. You can't attack first. The goblins are going to attack. The goblins are not right next to you, like they were last time with their melee attack. They're about 30 feet away. So, goblins.
Go.
Gobs. My cone of fire will not affect them because they're twice as many feet as I need.
Look what I'm gonna do. I have this like cocktail umbrella, and then it's not even gonna fit because it needs to be like in there. But I've drank most of this. We ordered from Burger Master. If you didn't see the title. I didn't even eat that bouquet. I have a lot of stuff from Valentine's Day.
The goblin, the gray goblin, is going to attack
Who?
Coleamore
I still have your...
with this short bow.
Who gave me this?
Grandma and Grandpa did.
I still have this. I still have the lollipop and gummy bouquet.
My AC is 7.
Wait.
My AC is 7. They cannot attack me.
What's 7?
My AC.
I think we should send
Oh, I used the wrong dice.
a message to them showing my favorite thing in the bouquet.
So he did not hit me and it wasn't successful.
I'm not. Wait.
Mom,
Yes, hon.
I think we should send a text of a picture of this bear saying that I like the bear the most.
Okay.
1 second.
Are you trying to do the Matrix?
Show me the bear. I see it.
I'm instead of holding in laugh, I'm holding in what I always hold in. I'm holding in thought.
All right.
Way I've got a bag. It's off topic here, but if anyone wants to see it.
Do you remember what I rolled before?
No, 6.
It was a 6?
Yeah.
All
No,
right.
he rolled like a 5.
Okay.
6. It was 6, I remember.
5,
It was 6.
and then like adds up. And then I'm just showing you.
And what's your AC?
7. I remember it was a 5. It was a
Well,
5.
either way, the hit power of the goblins with the short bow is what I rolled plus 4. So that's 9. It was a hit.
An 8.
And
How
roll
much
this.
damage?
1.
1 damage.
1 damage.
Ooh, because that could go up to 6 and that would kill me.
Did I say that was the gray goblin?
Yeah.
All right. So, the green goblin
What's the difference?
attacks. That's just how I'm
Hi!
differentiating them.
Wait, the Loki. Are you gonna help us? Yes, he is.
Ah, he's attacking the goblin!
Yes, he smashed the goblin. And now he's whipping his tail on the table.
Everybody died of cat butt.
Everybody died of cat butt.
It was a very sad loss.
Well, this was a fun game, but everybody died of cat butt. We'll go on another adventure another day.
Wait.
Loki, quit showing off your butt. Censored.
What do you mean censored?
You know when they put that little black bar over, the place?
Private places. Private private.
Okay, so the green goblin is going to attack Leviosa with his short bow.
No. I'm not getting him out.
What's your AC, Leviosa? It's under Loki's butt.
And Loki's butt is huge. So that means
9.
9. All right, so the hit was
Loki
successful.
knocked over my candy.
It did 4 damage to you.
Loki knocked over my candy.
Oh no!
Tail swipe. So now, wait, you need to add a bar to this.
Come on.
What?
The bar.
Leg Loki.
What?
You know, the bar?
Oh, to his.
No, to mine.
Oh, that's right. I guess I forgot that that we didn't have pencils right now. Let's go grab some pencils.
Everybody die. It was a sound of the cat butt. Even the video.
That's not a good way to go.
I know.
Death by cat butt? Ah.
Yeah. Like I heard that
Listen.
with cat butt right before you die, you see all its poop.
Okay, Loki's going, what is wrong with my butt? I think my butt is fine and would be a perfectly good way to die. My butt is lethal in all the right ways.
I brought over some pencils and
There is no right lethal.
some pencils and a pen.
All right,
He's
hand me a pencil. All right. Oh, nice.
He's a black hole. Aw.
There.
Get out of the radio.
Loki. Hey, careful. Don't scare him. Loki. Come here.
I have this thing of string.
Oh.
Loki, I have string.
He's always in your face.
Yes.
Guess he's gonna stay like at the side for the rest of the time. I guess
Do you
that's
need this?
okay.
Nope.
Yes.
Loki's interested. Oh, no. No, don't hit the handle.
Wait, Mom. We need new battery. It has 1 bar battery.
Well, let's just hurry and get some playing done because we got to go to bed too.
We just pause and give it new battery.
I don't have another battery for this camera.
Okay, if it does it, then we're gonna make a part 2. Sorry, if
Part
that
1
doesn't
of
make
part
sense.
2.
So,
Sense to you. But anyways, if we end off like in a saying,
Okay, come on. Where'd we leave off?
then yeah. But yeah, we'll tell
We
you.
left off when I got
4 hits
4
of
hit
damage.
points. Okay, now
3, 2, 1. I'll tell you when it's down, Mom.
Leviosa, you can now. Well, let's see.
Mom, I think you were supposed to use pencil. Now you can't erase it. What's
No,
this?
this washes.
What's like this?
I'm not quite sure what that pattern is used for.
Corbin.
So,
I think it's just the same.
yeah, I think that some people prefer that to this. So, right now, the goblins are 30 feet away from you. Collymore. Your only weapon is a melee weapon, which means you can only use it if you are right next to the goblin. Your speed
It's 25 feet.
is 25 feet. So that puts you within 5 feet, so that counts. So if you want, you can run up to the goblins and attack them with your melee attack. Or you could use one of your spells if one of them has a large enough range. Or you can hide. Or run away.
Spells.
Okay. Which spell would you like to try to use?
I won't put in my bubble.
What's a potion? Poison spray. Wait, can I run up to them and use a thing? In case
Yes.
if that isn't a good enough range?
Yes.
Then I want to do that.
Okay.
Run up to them and use poison spray.
I don't see
Wait,
poison
but
spray
first,
in here.
Where is poison spray?
I don't see it in here. Let's see.
I wouldn't waste battery.
If you can't find it, then
Is it recording or is it paused?
It's recording.
if we can't find it in like a minute, then we're just gonna say that for every turn he takes one.
It has a range of 10 feet.
Okay, so I need to run up to him.
Run up to him. You extend.
Could you open this?
Yes.
I need to keep an eye on the camera. Because it has 1 bar of life left. What's that? What's that bubble thing?
Well, it's a bubble thing.
What is
Yeah,
that
it's just a
supposed to
bubble
be for?
thing.
Why does that? What is that? Does it just look cool?
Oh, bubble thing.
What is this? It's gummy. It's hot gummies.
All right. Collymore, are you ready to make your attack?
Yeah.
So you run up to, are you 5 feet away or 10 feet away from the goblins?
So that I'm 10 feet away from the goblins because I don't want to get too up to them wait, does one of them have a melee weapon?
Melee.
They do have melee weapons,
Not
but right now
melee.
they're attacking with their short bows,
Just
which
in
are long
case-
range weapons.
Just in case I'm going to go from 10 feet away from them so I can use poison spray.
Okie dokie. Make a roll.
10.
10.
And then plus what?
Plus.
What is it in dexterity?
I saw something specifically.
What's dexterity?
You keep asking her.
Oh,
It's how well you can do something.
my dexterity
Oh, here you are.
is -1.
Spell attack bonus is +4. So you rolled 6. You rolled 10, and it is 14. All right.
Oh no, wait, but plus what number?
Mom?
Is it -3?
From Rainier Dogs.
Is it -3?
No, it's not -3.
Is it plus anything?
It's +4. Spell attack bonus.
So that's +4, that's 14, and what's their...
Their AC is 15.
I'm getting
please
so
say
much funded.
Like I just...
Yes, we can say it's close enough. So, you extend your hand toward a creature you can see within range and project a puff of noxious gas from your palm. We don't need any noxious gas from you, Loki.
Or from
The
me.
creature must succeed on a Constitution saving throw or take
Sorry. Okay.
poison damage. So, Constitution saving throw. 6.
That's a 6 because the dot's on the bottom.
Yep. Constitution +0, and it goes
think
up
my eyes
against your
completely
DC, which
cleared
is
out.
12. So the 12. So it hit. It hit, and now I must take 1d12
And I
poison
must
damage.
take
Okay,
1d12 to
So this spell is kind of complicated, but it's still cool. Okay, now, Mom, how much, like, how many?
Ooh, 12.
Whoa.
No, Mom, that wasn't from the right dice. This
No, one from the d12.
Oh.
That's the d20.
Good.
So, d12, I took 12. I already had 7 hit points, so you have destroyed the Grey Goblin. Now, the Green Goblin sees that all of his comrades have been destroyed. You are a more formidable opponent than he expected. So he attempts to run away down something you did not see before, which was a path off to the side here. So the question is, do you... Well, here's things that are going on right now. There's the city of Fandelver, which is where you're supposed to take this cart, sell these things. There's the goblins, who we believe killed the guy who hired you guys. And the goblin is taking off down this way. What would you like to do?
Maybe follow him to get some evidence of what he's doing, and then
I think
if
we
we
should
can patch it all
like,
up, we
like,
can make sure
maybe-
what happened, and like try to like stop the goblins from attacking in that area.
We can hear you better if you're in front of the camera.
Oh, and I want
Can
to
you
say,
repeat what I
hey,
just said?
Wait, no, let's let... we could hear you. Let's let Leviosa talk now.
I think that we should like put some watch things so we can see what's going on with the cart so we can come back anytime. And I think we should grab some burning logs.
Yeah, but maybe.
That we can. Wait, do I have a bow? Do I have any?
Maybe he's going back
Kindle,
to get more goblins.
Kindle.
Is he?
Do I have a
Well, I just gave you the idea, so.
armors and weapons? I have a light crossbow. And maybe we could gather some burning logs and shoot it. And we could like somehow see if we can see the wagon and also see the goblin. So Corbin could Collymore could keep watch while I use my light crossbow to shoot burning sticks at him or her.
Let's see what kind of weapons we can make. So
Oh,
we
no,
have
Mom.
one. Yes.
It's a red battery.
We have one vote for just follow him. Just he's running away now. You don't want to lose sight of him. We're gonna follow him. We have one vote for gather up some flaming arrows and see if we can shoot him while he runs away. Is that right?
Can we
Yeah,
do
with
both?
I have a light crossbow.
Right.
Okay, but we need to go quick because the battery's running low.
Well, going quick really isn't something I can do. Because I don't know what's going on.
I'm sorry if we end up in a sentence, like half a sentence, so yeah. Okay. Bye for later.
Yeah, for later.
Because if battery's red, it must mean it's close to dying.
Center! You get a count 9! You get a 9,000 in life sentence for dabbing!
You dab.
I have never dabbed in my life! Yes, I am just repeating a sentence from Dan TDM. But still.
Dab. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's not.
Shall we call it a day? We've defeated the goblins, the ones running away. It's a good time to stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should...
Okay, bye.
Bye!